Ebusuafo me mamu na akwaba. Midin de Akyere Bruwaa atara otafrija. Na one striker baako pe Akyere unembe bu. Udi sinso a metwa ne tin e de amawo. Dwumadie ye friend way back. Ye ne apabenefo me kire superstars celebrities e na twetwe nkomo. Obia wona hyase obia ne brono a otena so. Ye celebrities a ye hu omo wo TV so social media radio so ne de keka ho no. De ye nim ane se ye hu omo TV so ye nim baby omo hyase. Empempi ya na youth no ehwe yen esua yen. Enu nti na dwumadie wo ho se celebrity ne betena ha na oka na asem a se de o hyase ne baby anyamedi na bedu na se wo ye youth na afi na wo ba na wetie bi na wo de etu wonfu no wahun se abrabo no ye nko ni gidigidi ye hyase kakrakra na ye de akoye nim na ne mi superstar oti meni ma meni ba bedi nkomo no ye fra no the nation eye mi di sie mi de te mi twa me ho abadwuma ko bi na so yasere mi edi dwumadie ebra mu nti mo ma mi twa me ho na me ba meyi mi nation eye no e de akyere mo me ba sisi a Ebusuafo me san mamu akwaba biom safe na waso TV a wo hwe yen a dwumadie ye friend way back ye ne celebrities na twetwe nkomo me hye mo bosa me twa me ho aba na me ba meyi mi nation eye no e de akyere mo na me hye bo a me disunti me be yi ne di na akyere mo ni di ni de adoso ye friend bombocrats ni di ba ko no ye san so fra no the lion of Bukom aha me kan se we hu Bukom lion ono no your friend Bukom Banku Bukom Banku
Banku
akwaba
fine
et say Bukom me nim say Crowe enne ya Bukom adi Bukom na wo di Bukom Banku eye wudi ana say krona na wo di ato ho so
enya me din ba krom na me dato me so
adentia
Bukom there one say the big most of the area. Bukom there one say a long time. Yen Bukom. I caught a free Azuma narrative. Joshua caught everybody. But me the I'm the nation super put that name for my name. Bukom Banku. Brahim Makamoko, aka Bukom Banku. Brahim Makamoko. Brahima. Kamoko. Braimah. Brahima. Kamoko, yes. Well, I'm the nation super who control your king and the queen, everything. I'm here.
Queen so can
I'm a king, I'm a queen, I'm a controller, I'm the president of this community.
But I say, I'm a Peudi, I'm a papa to
Brahima Kamoko.
Brahima
Kamoko, me free money. That means you're gonna me free money, but they boom in Accra.
You are crying. Oh, I'm not papa enough Mali.
That be me, mommy, the free Rukugwa. Rukugwa, me, mommy, free. Me, there, you confirm not to fear me, grandfather fear.
Sir.
But me, mommy, me, father, the offering money in Bagana.
If you money in Bagana, no, Bukom, you made your home. Yes, share, say, you per se youth, you know. Esua niema bebre asa sesi ase de wiase eko nanimu a niema ye ntantantam youth ne pre no so mo tie ekwan a yen celebrities ye kasa nkofo tie yen enu nti na ya fa dwumadie we so na wa kire ye kwan a wo fa so a wo hyase ye pe wo hyase be bia ye wo said ya wo live your life wo di bansa na wo be wura boxing wo de ja boxing de na to nchen na ma me wa hyase
me that time my mother reborn me here. Me I'm do the street fighting. Street fight. Me do Konfo Kun was street. Yes. They be a sana me na me coach Bakun or a friend coach Wuto. Or see they be na me Kun street me. He don't like it, man. Oh, he called me to go and learn boxing. Or better me abo me boxing there, but street fight there. Money no day inside. Make I come to Boston to learn. To make a boss. I started the boss in 1994. 94.
That time now over how many years?
Oh, she said we were 15, 14.
14, 15.
We.
And na utokwana wokono. Aya obi count utokwana wokono na ushia nipa na wo bono.
Debi say fisi fight na
mo should organize fight.
You organize fight now man. Na me the that time the street fight the one say me punu keke ba boss the rules. Well that time I'm go to the boss and I'm learning boxing very hard and I make superstar in that game. Nobody can beat. I beat everybody.
Sir, in time na wo 15 na kosi 20 no. We do 20 na we wura boxing. Now we wura their rules one hono. Yes,
sir. Now I'm learning everything and I make superstar. I know boxing rules all. And then boxing make me as a superstar.
Who enuanom say?
5.
Unuanom ya 5.
Wo
mama no papa mba.
Any mommy and papa.
5. Nti me ba wo na wo se wo fi Bukom. Wo fi Mali. Wo papa fi Mali. Nti adent na wo be fa Bukom din ne de to wo.
My grandmother, my grandfather no free Mali oba no. Obe worry nkran. You go obe worry nkranfo. And I woman wa. Wo me fie nie. Wo ta Bukom. Me Vlander die. Wo me di no tumi so.
Me pese me hu die nti a se nkofo bebre wo krom ha obi anfa Bukom anto no ho so nti a wo fa Bukom
bebre wa
omo afa Bukom ato
Bukom de ye say 5
no ma fa Bukom ato
Bukom ato no di
na me pese me hu nie nti a wo fa to ho so
because of the boss I use that name and the people know me. Yes,
now they can
say Bukom hu ni bebre na me free onu na me di edim ni tum no
who am I say
Emma 13.
Aden
for woman. Hey, Aden for
who the other?
Blaster. Me want blaster, me want reserve too. Omu ye 13.
What's the football team man?
Oh, me want bat 13. Obi animu
sir. And now you must say
5 women to bone 13. I use 5 women to bone that
currency you need mass energy. What are you saying? Current and mass and I worry of.
Oh, current only my wife and my girlfriend at work on matter.
Now wife need my girlfriend.
Oh, my pamobia. My pamobia only my wife Gladys Duru. Onu na minute here.
Ona on the
first one dem ma worry no.
On the worry.
My yan wedding.
Now one come obia maybe.
Debi.
Because man see o baby as we wedding.
Oh, me ya wedding 2006.
Amelia na we.
Amelia anadu be do. Me my Amelia 2006.
Inti sesi aso bi ura boxing mo a. Obi be so ura boxing me futo be na do ma no.
Oh, me ba nu mienu omukum woso. Banku e Bukom tilapia, Banku e right there.
Na maybe na wo ka say me am say ye shia e wo peace and love so na wo say Uma baby anya boxer da. Me do
mo kasa they use their creativity. In can make you and they use their own creativity. But me and the bonam I'm not carrying in mind.
Inti adenti na one person woman no be boxing.
Boss is a mentor of work. Akyere Bruwaa, you know I'm crazy. I'm crazy long time.
Because of boxing ebobo with you.
You have got me to left and right, my head be shaking. So I don't like my picking the fight, but they are carrying their own character. I'm talking to them, they are not listening there for my job.
Bukom mami misa wa ade. Ansa na wo ba be start boxing no. Ene ura boxing no abrabo no na ekosen. Na emu ye mre ana se eden. Ene e matesen. Adie.
I'm talking for my people, no only me. Only me I get money small. But this community we are not getting any money. Working no day here. Youth, but all the youth are crazy. All the youth are Bomocrat in this community.
Hey.
We are all crazy. Students know they here. One of the student they here. If you call small boy or a small girl, they are Bomocrat.
Omo go school.
Oh, school they are but the school know they here too much. I had work 3 now, bossing, football and fishing. This is our work. We like it here. But here, no student too much here.
Until who starting on who you fishing maybe?
Fishing. Oh, fishing. I mean, me only bossing and the music for my starting beginning I use.
Nti wura boxing no no na enema mu etesen. Say enema mu ye den ana say enema mu ye mere.
Only the boxing no seska wo mu. Time na me wura boxing me call amateur. First of all, I'm traveling for South Africa. South Africa to come in USA there I can't count it. But right now last 2 years I go to London to go and fight together. So there was small money there for my year, but the youth don't get money here because they know help the youth.
Okay. Inti no wura boxing no no breye. Asa na wudi ni pie.
Oh, if a minister no be over there. Who see the cow and they eating the lizard? No one not in any akwe on uncle. No body no face super umbre. Obia bre, me brand na me yes super.
There be me breye, but mo boxing no dey say. And one is a woto to nsa keke.
Ko me to do me something, me here training early in the morning afternoon, evening I can't sleep. You understanding me? Morning afternoon evening I'm training, I'm running. Go Sakaman camp.
Hey.
Seaside. Go to
I am here training
before training you go to fight. If you don't do training, when you enter the ring, they will beat you.
Until we start no na said I will cast wa bre metiase wo rehearsals now we here training no wa bre
yes.
matiase na sikasem nso no start no na etesen
sikasem no wow say time na me ko professional no small problem na me nya wo Ghana obi ani me say no high problem kakra what international
eye problem
you get time na me small boss na me ko professional no boss boss it's a game of chance accident work na manya problem kakra wo me to me ko international fight na do mu kasa kakra na me ko ye review na ye dey send him London anu na mo me chance na me ko London ko ku international na me nya tate o sisi the boss in Usufu I'm growing just I come to fight na me to fight with Germany say me you are na majai
adentia we be jai sesen
manya 45 years see the white you know see the white
na what 5 uni ahon de ukokwan e be bo ana
they be our weight no we to me anya 50 and 49 to fight but I'm a fun boy I'm a fun boy I'm fun boy in this community.
Minimum say who offer. Fine boy minimum say who offer.
I'm dressing maker too. I'm dressing maker too. Oh, you can ask the boys.
You say who be jai box.
You see me where say? Ni me see if I won't come I'm dressing maker too.
You are dressing maker so come. I say anything. Me say sabro for us.
I'm dressing.
How dressing?
Pass everybody in this community. I'm number one.
Hey sir.
Oh, be somewhere.
Atalesa
you run. Oh no catch on say. Me what Atalesa say 8 billion.
Na one fa nyehwe, one fa nye ejapade bia one fa nyehwe.
Me ba no omu bi.
O ma de shebi.
Me ba no omu ye tough chain me. Bi so omu.
Sir.
They grow past me.
Into wura boxing, challenges be na wonya.
Boxing the challenges bebre wo me to me kan. But one who said the time na me swan bossing no film matter there minimum music minimum what time na me enter bossing na me do all
na we any
send me the what transfer media I know film matter I know music I know everything and bossing
the other thing na wo boxing na fe wo do won sako wura music
that bossing there is my favorite it's my Banku and tilapia it be one make me popular well me to me enjoy bossing but film and music on there is a concert party.
In the see the boxing tour, near the film tour, near the music tour.
Say boxing no me call down. Say I met to me aja but say me you are met to me atusu film party because film party there is good for me. You open people mind.
E be wa dream. Say boxing no.
Film this say who share film na utina see ya. Say who share heart no. Film there it said Barbara Asem anami boa say who share film wo ba hu say we our bible no film there me pay
ntu be say wo kire me say so obi boxing enye ehun hia so
boxing that be boxing is a work but it's very hard money there inside but your head must be shaking though boxing there
obi bo wa wo be bo ni be protect wuti
say be protect amateur na protect your guide but professional Philly Kadoji
enti boxing edro
boxing
say ye edro
oh debi say edro ma Nigeria any Senegal any India o me fa we tat ni na jo mu training man perfect
edro nim
oh
nti wan ye edro amfa boxing
ma mi ka kire wo in get training man perfect say edro wo boxing ma Nigeria Senegal India o me fa tat ni na wo
because I want edro
yes onu no mi ka kire wo
ebusiafo enkomo no aye de na nsam a o kan na utu say o ka boxing eno na e field yenko hwe na adwuma na wa ye ne boxing no yenko hwe bi mra sisi a ye ba ye de beto aso
fighting from the distance he wants to get closer to him and that is working for him well that has been his strategy he fights an inside fighter and that is what he does in close to that eye to powers I think so very powerful one indeed. Well, that was a flash shot. It's not that's not a devastating punch. That is not I don't see that as a strong punch. That's a flash shot, not a punch, because I mean it didn't really affect.
chese no ho odin ankasa we boxing ya oboy se be si mi no mi ya funu wanka yeti ko so ebe wo soro biri kra be che
you run
Bukom
yes ma
me pesa me surprise you
surprising me
nti wo hwa ade na me timi surprise you
me only money I dey like don't money. Surprise me with woman being or money you guys say you surprise me I like money
surprise
oh so anybody he's my best friend champion
Besan, but the man sanji okay ni besan no yourself you. Okay, okobuni about judging be ha.
Anyemi sanole keso ye mo he. Akesa no tun we obana ni ode ko meto dane saneso ganke choko fe kate na bale no tiga di galili kate na bale no nu papa bi eboni ao anyemi etenye wa mo le mo anasane ageto fani sele mamuni la malaza me gasi gato fani anyemi o twinte this is my best friend Ghana but you know me my name is Brahma Kamoko aka Bukom I'm sitting with Akyere Bruwaa anyempa
wadan for pioneer na wu ni be na sen ni
oh What's that? Mene ngalaje no gaja BFA.
Sa nti uni ni ye pa.
Ngalaje no gaja BFA. Is living here like 30 to 20 always share.
20 years.
Almost 20
years
now. Almost 20. That I'm selling to bear.
Now to bear.
That be selling to bear.
Now to bear. Okay. Me pa cho du me die. Ye ni celebrities need in come na ya share said they no motie we wunnim no said they wo ka se wunnim ni we back enye ne na otisen onye on
the American one say obonu model and moreover enye no onye onu na o sha ase but through ni father say na home boys no
na papa boxing
ni papa na organizing football mostly wa a friend no atakwa
and they moja ni
but oboabo microphone bebe akoye starts there what mu Choco Polo David Amoakun Steven Munina oboabo mu nchedi wa through his father and chef na onisu be cool boxing the modern bo any ke make say free after Azuma after Ike after Joshua Crotty any Cobra Koso onu na obe share no na say na odi nkrofo ya agro ni na man be like
opa agro na be ka say dey
the modern bo in life as a minimum say so see obe cool boxing na in your boxing kwa but odi like entertainment so afremo me the American say and you say the omu benu because of lazy Omunsu on swan bibi wonu no musu ya bibi na enko in life no enko because the oye nu the legacy ebe trend for 4 point because uti yazi no na u legacy enye a nugwase wonu.
Okay na me so say me na ye di nkomo behind also ono mo nsada na me pesa oye wadanfo confirm me say am.
Oh, you sure? Because of Nijumonti, say I'm believe say Okasabia is true.
So me say you hu say ono mo nsada
baby.
On she win so baby.
Me pacho baby.
Hey,
why are there?
Baby o ma.
Why are there? Mama me koto nkra na memra. Ni didwa kakraba. Ebusuafo enkomo na ye de. Me twa me ho abasesi a me ba ya de ofan to so bebre mo. Ebusuafo me san so mo akwa ba biom. Me din de Akyere Bruwaa. Jume de friend way back ye ne stars and etwetwen komo ene Bukom ene ye ne etwetwen komo na ne surprise a oye ohene kese pa ewo enkran kromu ha ono so eka ho. Wo hwa se de amaye me makeup ya ese wo sen wo se maye de pa me ho aye de maye fa kasa sweet 16 hunam sardine ni nani a eye beauty empire makeover ene esiesie ma me ho aye fe say you no anka wo hia me am disappointed wo be bo me say ah mami say the wedding mo aye fe fire now the TV screen ene wedding mo aye say ka be bo me enso ni na beauty empire makeover adaromanti hwehwe no Instagram TikTok just be bia Facebook social media handles ni na eye beauty empire makeover hwehwe no say from na wo ye party engagement wedding just say dia wo ye bia obeba be ya ma no waje wa affordable price me ba cho mpesa me che wade surprise.
Thank you very much.
Nice watch.
Asida kese na midibema any ujuma die na uye. Ena more bansu a me da wasi. Say what you say humbehu Bukom Banku Brema Kamoko. The aim there were program and they say most of the stars on Musha say wa onupena meka say otina community no na on free community akotna before for okwa banso odi obia ya agro na you be say because Yazino say nyami utina bibi utina like community bi nyami shawa enche say oho mu a na obetenu fix ama but it's good say ubebo mumu na obi nso ahwe say na bibi nyami apeja nso na oku akọ woni
why are
there asem ka
why are there the person me do we so ma wonso Akyere camera.
Charlie, my picture was nice picture. Akyere Bruwaa, creativity woman. I want for Patricia. See the camera. This is my camera. So see.
Me bacho baby a ye wo sesi ana. Youth ni hwe ehia yen bebre. Enti wa ba beja na wo ye ohene no. E wo enkan krom na yesa wo udibie ne so. Pa nti me pese wo betu youth ne fo ama me fa wo position ne fetu fo ma me
yo nke shida ba cho ono ke tru Bukom Banku be makamoko eminyam ni ona ke enife mu ni eso hie ni lewo opekish ni onye okeleba egba walaje nsani ni woyu oni kokwe yute me pinhwe ewose je manage kenken atoshishi ni atakwa ni ji le Brema Kamoko papa le hu ye bia na ke amunche ndi ni mene maka ke chondo biye youth and both your under 15, under 17, a local on national team. No mena mete me ko me kechomo ni acheme. Nkan like ani ba bo youth ami. Okay.
I am batch of funny tree, mommy. Fra.
Okay. In life, education is the best. But when you have an education, the native wisdom is useless. Shianile ke ni kanemo, alo ni kasemo eyueboa. Ni makpa youth fight. Ake ameke bema kamoko ni ji Bukom Banku asset example ake. Ke from beponi eba botu amete ni mene ekole mepi ba kwele e modern bo ke gbe fan ya mo mas mo ka me fi ko amekani iko nyame hi alo anibe nyame hi she bina habo alo oba cho benke ni ayi abo ni hi a abene makpa fa hu ni ameju amekege oshina alo ni bi ni eja mi alo ni bi ni ehun mi
o fra ni tree mami anka me po yo bi ana te
mi mestre na omu chiwo basa any about life any attitude bi na emfata na respect is the key. The second thing is the truth. Na omu di anukware omu di ebonsu man penyifo a ebeye se na mu hu bema kamoko Bukom Banku a omu su se bibi dia omu su be lead omu se bia omu pese mbu omu a omu be a enso ebehwe se na betuma because recently no through Bukom Banku meka we ushe through Letter Big Saint through Kentucky Tech to Gamancha ushe Adabanka Kentucky Taiwa school na ho no about omu akọ se omu first adem no mba be CSC onu na is good say bia through onu dia so bi per scholarship na bibi dia omu be Gamancha betumi aboa Bukom Banku ho na ebe mi dey say onu su member mode na through program we mi dey be fa mpemfo num na emfrenu onu su adwen ana bia the sana onkonfo nu benu na omu pese nso yembu omu a na yenso akoye baako na community akoninim the asem kakra na mi
Bukom.
Yes, ma'am.
Omu afa na omu wura boxing mu no to omu for man.
Oh, omu dey mom big advice.
Say
On coming bosses now seven okan. Only them more advice.
say omu nye.
Oh, there be omu world champions. But boss in the person we are world champion. Person we like a quarter Africa training, sleeping earlier, no smoke, no alcohol, woman, pack off.
Pack off and wow 13.
I'm make them before I chop the woman. But if you come in, you chop the woman, your strength will vanish. Where wale fin balaji? Or I the boss as the ground. So only be a player, boy, boss only me ball, football in bossy. I the omundi na where omundi na bosses and players who
Yeah, that's it. E busu afo so mate. O say se wo sha ase e wo bibi mu a. E se wo du anim. Ansa na se wo be ye enema basabasa kra waye. Ono ogidin ansa na o sha ase aye ma. Na wo sha ase wa abrabom na se wa ma wani anda ho. Na one focus wa de a wo ye ho na se wo di wani ehwe enchan a etoje wara ye se obanyansafo ye bunu be na ye nka na sem medam ase bebre ye se wo to pempu a na watu kro aha na brebe ma mekwan ma me di dwumadie no esi da se ne ye be se hia same day same time kaisa me do have my kiss